A beautiful 1970 Chevelle SS 396. Painted beautifully in its correct color of cranberry red, black SS stripes, beautiful chrome tips, beautiful show driver SS 396 car. Muncie 4-speed, 12-volt rear. Also has the heavy-duty suspension with a sway bar. Really pretty car. Beautiful SS hood. Riding on the correct SS wheels. Raised white letter tires. Just a really nice representation of what we were buying from our Chevrolet dealer back in 1970. Not all of them were 454s. There were lots of 396s. Still in 1970. They also came with bench seats and bucket seats. And 4-speed. Beautiful dash in the car, beautiful interior. The bench seats were great because you could have your honey kind of sitting next to you. Back in the day, that was important stuff. Let's take a look under the hood. There it is right there. Beautifully detailed for the show. Power disc brakes, ceramic coated headers, power steering, nicely detailed everywhere you look. It is a date code correct 396 350 block that has been built some beyond that. Not too radical, but certainly has a real nice sound to it. As a matter of fact, let's fire it up and listen to it. Beautiful Muncie shifter that was correct to go along with the bench seat. They had this big arch to come back for the bench seat cars. Hold on one second here and we'll fire it up for you. Runs strong. Nice. That's the rumble we love. Let's go listen to it out back for a second.